Good morning, afternoon, and evening, guys. You're locked into Conscious Minds TV with myself, DVG. And today's video is going to be a short video, and it's basically about uh, the MC of a birth chart. So, for those who don't know anything about astrology, the MC is this line you can see here that separates the 10th and the ninth houses in a birth chart. And also, the MC is short for medium coeli in Latin, which also means the middle of the heavens. So, a common question which is asked by people studying astrology is how comes the MC sometimes can be skewed to the left or be skewed to the right? And this is due to the ecliptic, which is the path of the sun. But also, what it's due to as well is it depends on which signs are rising at the time, which depends whether you have a skewed MC to the left or to the right, or if you have one directly straight up. So what I'm going to do here, you can see you can move the chart by an hour. Well, actually, let's change it to 30 minutes so you can see more of a gradual movement. So as you can see, we currently have Pisces rising and the sun's just set in Virgo. This is the time zone for London as we speak. See, the line going up, this black line here, the MC, is quite straight, like at the moment, but on some people's charts, it's really skewed. So when I move the time, you will see that you can see now it's gone more central. If I move it another 30 minutes, it will go more to the right. And if you keep moving it, it goes more to the right. And then it gets to a particular point and then it swings back to the left. So I'm just going to keep going forward 30 minutes. And then you will see that this black line here called the MC is going to swing from right to left. So I'm just going up 30 minutes in time. So as you see, every time I'm pressing it, it's now swinging towards the left. So this is just going 30 minutes at a time. Now it's straightening up again. Straight, now it's straight. And again, now if I keep going, it's going to start skewing to the left. And people were like, oh, why does this happen? Why is it not straight up in the chart? And like I said, this is due to the ecliptic, which is the sun's path. So what I'm going to now do is go into Stellarium and show you how that works astronomically. So I'm just going to click into Stellarium. I have it open. So as you can see, this red line here is what is known as the ecliptic. And you can see that what you can do in this astronomical site is mark the cardinal points of the tropical zodiac. So there's Aries, Cancer, then Libra, and Capricorn is under the horizon. And another thing I quickly want to show you is the difference between the tropical zodiac and the sidereal zodiac. So, for example, here you can see the symbol of Cancer. This is where Cancer starts on the ecliptic, which is the sun's path. But if I then get up the constellations and the names of them, you can see where Cancer is tropically is Gemini. It's in between like Gemini and Taurus. So that's the difference, is that tropically we follow where the sun is on this red, each point, different parts of this red line is where different signs are. It has nothing to do with these stars that are in the actual sky. So that's something that people need to know, because a lot of people say, oh, tropical astrology don't work because Cancer's when the sun's in Cancer, it's actually not in Cancer, it's in a different constellation. That is correct, but the thing is, tropical astrology is not based on the constellations. It's based on this red line, which is the ecliptic, and that is the path of the sun. That is the path that the sun follows yearly. So what I'm going to do is I can press play and I can show you that when different signs are rising, the MC, which I was showing you, the line in the birth chart is this green line here, will come more central into this arc, this red arc, when Libra and Aries are rising. But when Capricorn or Cancer's rising, it either goes to the right, as it is in this case. It's the green line is towards the right of the arc. So what I'll do now, I'll just press play, and then I'll speed it up, and then you'll get an idea of what I'm talking about. So you're going to see now Cancer, when Cancer hits the MC, the green line will be in the middle of the arc. See now, if I pause it, bear with me for a moment, this is a bit tricky. Let's go back a bit. Right. So now Cancer is at the MC. You can see the arc, and the MC is in the middle of the arc. That only happens when either Cancer or Capricorn are at the MC. But if Libra and Aries are here, it skews either left or right. And I'm going to continue by pressing play, and you're going to see that. And this will be the answer to why that happens in people's birth chart. So now it's approaching Libra. You can see that the MC is now not in the middle of the arc, it's towards the left of the arc. And that's the equivalent of the MC skewing to the left in your chart. See, it's just gone past Libra, so it's going to the left of the arc. Now, when Capricorn approaches, you're going to see the symbol for Capricorn in a minute. Once that approaches the MC, this green line, you're going to see the arc, then the line be in more of a central part of the arc. So there we go, there's Capricorn, so it's more central. And now when Aries comes towards it, which is here, the line is now on the right of the arc, which means that your MC will be skewing to the right in your chart. So yeah, that's just a quick video to explain that for people who ask that question of why the MC goes to the left, to the right, and to the center. Like I've mentioned, and I'll show you right again now. When Capricorn or Cancer, which is approaching the MC now, are at the MC, it's in the middle of the arc. But when it's Aries or Libra at the MC, it's either to the left or to the right. So yeah, we're going to just come in towards Libra now. And you can see Libra's here, there's the symbol of it. And you can see now the line is to the left of the arc. I hope you guys have enjoyed this little video. It was just a quick one that I wanted to share with you guys. And any questions, feel free to ask. Peace, love, and blessings. I'm out.